Hi you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Bienvenidos. We are obviously starting today's video off in the bathroom. And I'm going to do a get unready with me nighttime skincare routine. I just got home from an event. And I'm going to show you some vlog footage from that because why not? Just so you guys can see what my day was about. And then I'm going to show you everything I've been using for nighttime for kind of getting rid of my scars. I've been getting a lot of questions on my skincare and what I've been using lately. So I'm going to show you all of that. But first, let's go ahead and show you some of today's vlog footage. So that's pretty much what my night consisted of. But now let's go ahead and talk about my skincare. Let's get unready. Also, if the audio sounds a little bit weird, I do have a fan in here that I cannot turn off. It has to stay on whenever the light is on. So I apologize if the audio sounds a little bit weird. But let's get into it. So first, I start with my Dermalogica Pre Cleanse. And this is basically an oil that's going to help to break up my makeup before I even go in with a makeup wipe. It just makes the process a lot easier. I love oils like this, even though I have oily skin, because we're going to remove it anyway. This just makes everything so much easier. I'm not tugging on my skin when I'm removing my makeup at all. It's very gentle and also smells pretty good. And then now that my face is looking nice and oily and greasy, we're going to take this off. I just like to use my Equate Beauty face wipes, makeup wipes. I get them from Walmart. They're very inexpensive, but they're my favorite because they're not so wet. I don't like makeup wipes that are really damp. And this has like little exfoliating beads on it, so you can also exfoliate if you want. So we're just going to remove all of that makeup. And I always do 2 wipes just to make sure everything's off. And you of course want to make sure to get your neck. I was getting matched to a foundation at the event, so I want to make sure I take all of that off because I don't want it to end up on my pillowcase. Now, I'm not gonna lie, on my super lazy days, sometimes I will stop right there, which is not good. Do not ever do that. I do not recommend it. But if I'm just super tired, it's like 2, 3 in the morning, I will stop there. But don't do that. So there, you want to make sure to cleanse your skin, actually cleanse it. Removing your makeup is totally different than cleansing your skin. So from here, what I do is I take my CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser. I've recommended this so many times. I've been using it forever. I've gone through bottles and bottles and bottles of this. I love it. It's very gentle on the skin. And then for exfoliating a little tiny bit, I use this every single day. This is the EcoTools Conjac Sponge. I think that's how you pronounce it. But you just run it under the sink. Then I just do like a full pump of cleanser. Not even a full pump, I want to say a half. I wet it again, just a little bit. And I work that into my skin. And you can see it gets very foamy. And this is not rough on your skin whatsoever. It's very soft. I don't know why I don't like when water runs down my arm. I think that's so annoying for some reason. And if you want, you can even go in with a second cleanse, depending on, you know, if you wore like super full coverage makeup that day, you can go in twice. On the days where I want to be extra sanitary, I'll just take one of our hand towels or hand wipes that we have here. They're just from the brand Kleenex. And that way you know for sure you're getting a super clean wipe down. If you use a towel over and over again, obviously you're like getting germs on it and stuff. And here you get a fresh napkin or a towel every single time. Totally optional. I honestly just use a towel for the most part, but if, like I said, my skin's breaking out like crazy and I want to be very careful, I'll use a little napkin. Now my makeup is completely gone from my skin. My face is nice and cleansed. Occasionally, maybe once or twice a week, I'll use a mask. And lately I've been using the Bourjois, I think that's how you say it, Roma Advanced Fandango Active. This is a mud mask that you can use on your face and on your body. So I just take a little bit of this one. I'm already kind of running, not running low, but kind of there. I usually use a brush, but my brush is in the room and I'm too lazy to go get it. So I'm just gonna use my finger, and I really only apply this where I have any scars or breakouts. So mainly on my cheeks right here. And this is a pretty intense mask, which is why I only apply it where I need it. I think that's pretty good. So now from here, I'm just gonna wait 5 or 10 minutes till this dries up, and then I'm gonna come back, remove it, and then we'll move on to serum and moisturizer. Had this on for about 5 minutes now. So I just use the same sponge that I use to cleanse my skin to remove my mask. I just run it under the water again, take off any excess water, and just remove my mask. See? Takes it off very, very easy and quick. It makes everything so much easier, just cleansing, and it gets an even deeper cleanse. And you see, it removed my mask. I want to say for about a month now, around there, I've been using some Ole Henriksen products. I got like the 3 Little Wonders kit. I bought it at Sephora. I like the moisturizer and I've tried it before, but I've never tried their serums. So I wanted to give them a shot. This is the Ole Henriksen Invigorating Night Transformation Gel. And like I said, I've been using this for about a month. And every single time that I use it, my face in the morning looks very plump and glowy. I want to say out of the 2 serums, this one's actually my favorite. A lot of people recommend the daytime one, which is the, I think it's the vitamin C one. Yeah, the vitamin C one, which is also really good. But I feel like I see and feel a difference a lot more with the nighttime one. So I just take half of a pump. This is a pretty thick serum, so a little bit goes a long way. And I focus this mainly on my cheeks and in the center of my face, because that's where I have the most texture and obviously the most pores. Then I take a little tiny bit more if I don't have any left over, and I put that on my neck. So like I said, this one helps more with texture and any bumps on the skin. The morning one is supposed to help with scarring. So I'm still testing that one out, seeing if my scars are fading, but so far so good. So then from there, and by the way, these products dry up really, really fast, so I can jump right into my moisturizer. This is the Ole Henriksen Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer. Perfect for nighttime, but also before makeup application, because like I said, these products sink into the skin very, very fast, so you're not gonna have a slippery base before putting on your foundation. So I just put this everywhere, and then I also bring it down to my neck. And there you go. That's my real life nighttime skincare routine, vlog style. I hope you guys liked it. I literally only use 5 products, 6 if you wanna, you know, count the makeup wipes, but total like skin products, I only use 5 products. Very minimal. My skin likes minimal, doesn't like too much going on. All the products are very clean and simple. So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did and found it helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about the products that I use, just leave it in the comment section, and in the description box I'll list everything, all the products that I mentioned in this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all, los quiero mucho, and I will see you all in my next video.